We are going to review top 5 best heavy-duty drawer slides. List number 1. Soft close drawer slides 22-inch. The drawer slides equipped hydraulic damper which allows the slides achieve soft close effect. Double spring design make less noise when close and open, create a warm and quiet family environment for you. Longton drawer slides are made of high-grade cold rolled steel with zinc-plated finish, heavy-duty and durable, load-bearing. Solid ball bearing ensures smooth opening and closing, can serve you many years. You would feel the quality when you receive. List number 2. ChewHang heavy-duty drawer slides 14-inch. All 3 sections of rails are made of 1.5 mm thick Q235 thick steel plate. High strength, high density, high quality cold rolled steel. It can support heavy load storage without deformation, and the bottom is equipped with a limited rubber pad which is made of ABS plastic with good wear resistance and impact resistance. After testing, the number of opening and closing times has reached more than 150,000 times. Full extension heavy-duty drawer slides support access to the whole space, and the drawers can be pulled out completely for easy storage of items. List number 3. Yanuo bottom-mounted heavy-duty drawer slides. Using high-density, high-strength, thickness tube, the bearing capacity is 3 times that of ordinary rails. The bearing capacity can be up to 206 tons, sturdy and durable. The service life of the slide rail is 30 years. Installation instructions: dimensions: rack depths greater than 24 inches can be used. Size: 24-inch, 600 mm fully extended length, 57, 1,450 mm. Bottom installation drawer slides. The reserve bottom installation gap is greater than 2.12 inches, 54. Attention! List number 4. ChewHang heavy-duty locking drawer slides. Locking drawer slides using safety lock design. Press the yellow handle to lock and unlock. Prevent accidental opening of drawers. Safe and convenient to use. Full extension drawer slides using plating plus sealing blue zinc double anti-rust treatment. Electroplating layer prevents the air from coming into direct contact with the rail steel plate, thus resisting oxidation and corrosion. ChewHang drawer slides closed length 60, fully extended length 120, 3048. The length of the slide should be less or equal the length of the drawer. List number 5. Viver heavy-duty drawer slides. Length 60, width 76 mm, product thickness 19 mm, plate thick 2.5 mm. The drawer slides heavy-duty kit is constructed with thick cold-rolled steel CRS plates to ensure quality and service life. It is electroplated on the surface for anti-rust and wear-resistant. This 500 pounds drawer slides can hold up to 500 pounds load to suit different needs. All 3 sections of rails can be pulled out and allow for the entire drawer to be reached. Entirely pull-out length 120.2.